what this exercise is here is bullet accountability. So what we're going to do is move the target back and forth between the targets, and the whole idea is not to shoot the black targets. And I'm going to actually spray the black targets where there's bullet holes before, so we don't identify a wrong shot.
Go, go.
That's that exercise right there. Now let's take a look at the target. All right, now let's take a look at our shots. One here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the shots right in here, exactly where we wanted them. With the exception of this one right here. This probably would have grazed the chest cavity. But all right in here. That's a good day. That's what you want to do. You want to practice not until you get it right, but until you can't get it wrong, because that's what's really going to save your life when it counts.